Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. We are in the van, as you can see. As you can't see, we've got the trailer on the back. So we're going to go and look at a car we might buy, probably will buy. But this one's going to be, hopefully a little project, but it's going to be for my boy. So he needs a new car, so we're going to look at one. It's not new, but it is cheap. Well, here it is. Do apologise for the wind noise. And this is the Tom's replacement, I suppose. And just a little note. Remember to tie up your straps because they go into the wheel, make a big bang and scare the bejesus out of you. But anyway, here it is. It's a little 1.2. It's not a bad little car, really. There's lots of stuff in the boot and that doesn't stay down. I think the biggest issue, I mean, it's a bit cosmetically challenged, but it's an old vehicle. It's 2006, cheap as chips, but it's got the classic squelchy. So we've got to look at that. Yeah. So anyway, let's get it off the trailer and we can have a proper look inside. Here we go, we're in the workshop. Yes, the TT's still there, I know. Yeah, it's not in a rush, no rush for it. This one, however, we want to get ready for my boy, Tom. So this is going to replace his little Daewoo, which is a little bit small for him. So we picked this up from a friend. Wood Wizard, you might, well, look at him up on Instagram. But yeah, his boy has changed his car and he sold this to us very reasonably. And it does have some issues, which is fine. He told me about it. It's not an issue. Not an issue, but it is an issue. No, it's got issues. That's no issue. It's a bit cosmetically challenged. It's a bit trim missing there. It's got odd wheel trims. It's just needs a good clean up, and it's got some that's a size 10. It might well be. Yeah, it's a bit more. Oh yeah, definitely. What's that? You reckon that's a 10? Yeah, I think someone's been doing a, yeah, there we go. Yeah, a bit of an obstacle challenge on the car. But it doesn't appear to have dented it that I could see. Just looking round, yeah, it needs a darn good polish. That's a bit. Can you see that? I don't know if you can. Bit of a rub on there. Hopefully we'll be able to polish that out. A bit of a scrape along here. I'm not going to worry too much about that. If I can get a little bit of it out, I will. Moving round, I mean, it's not beaten up, is it? So yeah, it's okay. Going inside, it's dirty but tidy. You know, it is what it is. I'm not sure why they're missing these here, but there we go. The biggest issue is in here. Do you see that? It is sodden. It's got the Corsa C leaks. So that's the first issue we're going to find out. We'll try and fix. I think this isn't a project. This is a mini project. So I don't want a full-blown project. Oh, got to be careful. I don't want to hit the area. And look, it's dirty but tidy. It's not a problem. It doesn't really smell that bad inside, since it's got so damp. What have we got around here? Bit of a ding here. Warm that up, tidy that up a bit. It's got this tint on the inside, which is horrible to see out of. So we're going to try and get that off. And in the boot, oh God, is, oh, yeah. Okay. So we've got some stuff in here as well. We've got some other wheel trims. That's resting on my head now. That's all right. oh yeah, that's right. He said there was wheel trims in. There's that. Sorry, resting on my head. That trim there's got a bit of a crack in it. That's the arch trim. Few broken clips. I'll see how much another one is, and we'll see from there. And there's some of the insulation. And there's a Gert sub in here. And a couple of amps. So I think we'll need to whoop this out. See what's underneath. Excuse me. Sorry, I didn't mean to wave you around. I was resting on my head. But Wood Wizard said there might be some damp in the boot as well. So we might have an issue with these backlights. Not sure. It runs. It's got 11 months MOT. Let's have a look under that bonnet. Good tyres all round. Where's the thingy? Where's the thing? Oh, there's the thingy. Now, got to rest this on my head again. Can I get this out one-handed? I'm not tall enough. I'm not tall enough. That's not good. Oh, I just hit my head on that. Ouch. Never mind. No sense, no feeling. Right, we are a bit oily in here. So, looks to me like probably the O-ring on there. Maybe the rocker cover gasket because it's carrying across here. And there's lots of oil down there. Can you see that with that light? I believe there's a common issue for the oil pressure sender to fail. So I'm going to get one of them. I think they're around about a tenner. So I'll get that. But obviously, can you see all the way down there? That's where it's all landed down there. I do apologise if you can't see. I've not got my normal torch today. But yeah. So we got a bit of a clean up to do here. And you can see in there has been attempts made to seal up around the brake booster or brake servo on the bulkhead there. So I think we're going to have to whoop all of that out, have a look in behind. Oh, there's some cable in here. That must be from the amps, I guess. I don't know, it's got some writing on it. Oh, it's got a 4, hey? No, 4 and something. Oh, I'll have a look at that. Oh, well, there you go. There's obviously a positive and negative there. That runs around. Oh, it's caught in the strut top there. That's been repaired around the strut top. So we'll chase that down. Not sure what that is. Oh, does that go to that? Goes to whatever that thing is. I'll have to look at that as well. I ain't got a clue what that is. Anyway, we've got some nice big power cables as well. Running to the back, I would imagine, for those amplifiers. So we're going to take that off. We're going to go back pretty much standard because Tom needs boot space for his instruments. So that's going to go, and yeah. But yeah, what do you think? Yeah, I think the first thing we're going to do, probably take the interior out because it is still soaking wet. And then look up underneath, and take that out, and yeah, what do you reckon? Let's get the interior, I reckon. But yeah, this is just an introduction to the new mini project. Hopefully it's a small project. And yeah, we'll be good. Whoa, a couple of things I forgot to say. It did have some advisories, turn it back on, for one of the front struts had a misting of oil on its MOT. That's our yearly test in the UK, our MOT, Ministry of Transport test. So I'm going to put new shocks on the front, a pair, because I don't want to risk it. You know, shocks are important. I think there was a advisory on one of the track rods on the inner joint, a bit of slack, but it wasn't enough to fail the test, obviously, because it passed. And also a minor exhaust leak. So we'll have a look at that as well when we get up in the air. But yeah, first of all, I think we'll be looking at getting the interior out. Oh, and in here, there's quite a few receipts in there and stuff, which is good. And we have a book pack. So, yeah, lovely jubbly. And, ooh, a really rather large fuse. 80 amp. Vibe. Ah, that's stereo stuff. Right, well, we've got a few wires in here. Does smell a little bit funky in here, but not too bad. See, it doesn't look soaking wet in here. Oh, oh, good tire. Oh, landed. Bosch tire, a Continental. Sorry, just rattled you. Ah, we are. Oh. Yeah, we've got a bit of damp here. We've got a toolbox as well, or tool bag. So we got some moisture coming in here somewhere. Might be through this thing. Don't know. Seems dry, but there we go. A few wires, good spare, some soundproofing, wheel trims. I think Wizard said that was part of the center console. We got our trim there, which is split. Damage, but I might fiddle with that just to keep the costs down. And we've got this 280, was this Thunder 280 power amp, and then this Base Force 600 watt amp. So not sure what to do with these at the moment, and obviously the boot carpet. Yeah. So yeah, what do you think? What do you think of our new little acquisition there? I don't think it's too bad. It was cheap. We'll go through funds at the end. Always getting mucky. Yeah, I think we'll go through our funds at the end. See how much it actually costs. It was a good price. I'm not going to say it's not. It was a good price, and it's a nice car to drive because I've driven it around, just round and about and in the car park and stuff, and it's fine. So yeah, tell me what you think. So how much did we pay for this? There you go. Answers down below. 2005, I think it's even a December, 2005, 76,000 miles, 4-door, 1.2, what engine is it? Ecotec engine, 1.2, 11 months MOT. How much? Come on, write it down below. Well, thank you very much for coming along, introducing our new little mini project. Hope it was okay for you. I mean, we'll be getting into the nitty-gritty of it next time. If you like what we're doing, please give us a thumbs up. Look us up on Instagram, larks_workshop. That way, I don't know. And, well, hope to see you next time. Cheers then. Still up? Anybody know what that thing is? Please tell us. I don't know. And I've totally forgotten what I was going to say. Bear with. Right, thank you very much for coming on. Blah, 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 blah. Ah, so the fun has begun.